Lights and shadowed seams, stitching echoes into dreams. Feel the song, an ember's cry, woven deep where echoes lie. Feel the song, untamed alive, every pulse a will to survive. Golden hues on fractured stone, every step a chord unknown. Gravity, a fleeting chain, pulling stars through hidden veins.